Can you get speed?
I don't know. I guess there's only one way to find out.
Faster, here we go.
Oh! Did you see the tail tap?
Faster, there you go. Nice.
I just tapped my tail on it.
Oh, you did tap your tail on it. Yeah, plenty of speed there.
What's up, guys? This is Nathan with Bike Sleep Repeat. About to ride Flying Monkey for the first time today. We're just gonna go down this ridge right here. Whew. Pretty excited. Riding here today with Jason from RMBL MTB. He's back there. So let's see how it goes. Dropping into Flying Monkey. Oh! Phew!
Nicely done, Nate.
Oh, that's pretty chunky. Woo! Whoa! Yeah. Woo. Yes.
Yeah, baby.
Push. We just came off this mesa right here. It's pretty crazy. I've been wanting to hit that trail for so long, so I'm glad we finally did. You see right over here, here is the old Rampage site. I did a short little edit of there. I'll put a link of it right here on the top. Okay, see you guys later.